The internet is full of user-generated content, comments, posts, and messages. While this has allowed people to connect and share ideas, it also brings serious challenges. Harmful content, such as hate speech, harassment, and explicit material, is becoming increasingly common. This type of content isn't just offensive, it can cause real harm to users and damage the reputation of platforms that allow it. The problem is that manually reviewing and moderating content is a huge task. As the volume of online content grows, it becomes nearly impossible to keep up. Manual moderation is not only time-consuming but also expensive and difficult to scale. This means harmful content can slip through the cracks, putting users at risk and undermining the trust people have in online platforms. That's where CensorFlow comes in. CensorFlow is an Layer 2 API that uses advanced machine learning to detect and manage harmful text. It helps platforms, communities, and businesses keep their spaces safe and respectful. CensorFlow has three main features. Text moderation. It scans individual pieces of text, such as comments or posts, to spot harmful content quickly. Batch text moderation. It can process multiple texts at once, making it ideal for busy platforms that handle a lot of content. Text suggestions. It suggests better ways to phrase content that might be offensive, helping users communicate more positively. Now let's take a quick demo at how CensorFlow works.
Safe or not to be put up in the platform. So for example, let's type here AI is going. So when I click on moderate text, here you can see the metadata that is being generated. Basically it will tell you what is that text more likely. So in this case we got it is more like an harassment. So that's the part. So getting if that post is harmful or not using this metadata. So based on this metadata, the content can be manipulated or removed from the social media platform if it violates any of the regulation of the business. So so batch text moderation is very similar to text moderation. The thing is here you can input multiple text, like many text. And you can click on moderate batch. So you'll get for each text you get the metadata. And text suggestion is currently we're using Gemini API because accessing to Llama API was very hard for us. So this is the part when the user, whenever they get flagged for their post being offensive, they will have an option to remodify the content and again re-upload it to the platform. So that's the main task. So let's just copy the same thing and moderate and suggest. So whatever that was being moderated, here you can see. So from the result, the Gemini API will get to know what it has been flagged and why it has been flagged, and give a potential guideline on how to optimize your post to a better way. So that's pretty much about content flow, and CensorFlow. So that's used by business today. So that wraps from my end. Thank you.